Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 on Yuzu Emulator. First, download the Yuzu Emulator from its official source. Install it on your computer, making sure your system meets the necessary specifications for smooth performance. This initial setup is crucial for a stable emulation experience. We'll cover the basic installation steps to get you started quickly and efficiently. Next, you'll need the Mortal Kombat 1 game file, typically in NSP or XCI format. You also require the essential production keys and title keys for Yuzu to decrypt and run the game. Carefully place these key files into the designated Yuzu keys folder. This step is vital for the emulator to recognize and load your game properly. Now, open Yuzu and access its configuration settings. Here, you can fine-tune various options like graphics, audio, and input controls to enhance your gameplay. Make sure to add your game directory so Yuzu can locate Mortal Kombat 1. Experiment with different settings to find the best balance between performance and visual quality for your system. Finally, find Mortal Kombat 1 in your Yuzu game list. Simply double-click the game title to launch it. Once the game starts, you can further adjust in-game settings to personalize your experience, such as controls or display options. Enjoy playing Mortal Kombat 1 on your Yuzu emulator. Remember to save your progress regularly and explore the game's features. You're now ready to dive into the action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.